welcome back to my channel. This is Gauri Naidu. If you're watching my video for the first time, I'm a costume designer and a stylist. I started making videos for my YouTube channel recently, and thank you so much for all the love on my previous video. I did a styling video, and that's one sari in 3 different ways. I'm really happy for the response I got for that video. Thank you so much. And today's video is top 5 favorites, and this is episode 2. I also did episode 1. If you haven't watched that already, please go watch it right now. And today's top 5 favorites are from Amazon. So I shopped them recently. I think they're very useful for me. I hope they'll be useful for you too. I'm going to add the product links in the description box below. If you think you want to buy any of this, you can use that link. And let's get into the video. The top 1 from my top 5 favorites is going to be this container. Very pretty color on the top, turquoise, and the rest all is clear. Of course na kitchen kosam konnanu. I like buying things for my kitchen because ala konచెం kotta items akkada ikkada kanipistunte I feel like going and doing something with them. So basic cooking. So I keep buying like very random things. Okay, so this quantity or capacity, I think it's 1100 ml or ento anukunta. It's also written it's unbreakable and airtight container anamata. So that's one. It's written it's unbreakable, and there are rest of the things here. I think you can see them. So I think set of 4 నేను కొనుక్కున్నాను. I wanted to buy 4 more. As of now నేను ఇందులో నా biscuits in another container లో I am using chips biscuits. They are very fresh and nicely stored. And my storage space is looking very pretty because of the colors on the top. So that's about it. So the second one from my top 5 favorites is going to be this one. Beautiful hangers in ivory color. These are set of 50, I think. I forgot the price. Anyway, I'll add the links in the description box below. You can see them. కాకపోతే ఇవంతా స్ట్రాంగ్ లేవు, బట్ నా పర్పస్ సర్వ్ అవుతుంది బికాజ్ ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ ఫర్ మై దుపటాస్ అండ్ సారీస్. సో సారీస్ అన్నీ మోస్ట్లీ కాటన్స్ అండ్ షిఫాన్ క్రేప్స్ కాబట్టి దే ఆర్ హోల్డింగ్ దెమ్ quite well actually. Dupatas kuda they are not really heavy, and this is a little velvet in the material. I hope you can see them. So త్వరగా జారిపోకుండా they are staying on this hanger. Also I like the color. I want something in ivory and something in white, so I bought them. And also they are not really too expensive for 50, so I bought them. Anta strong, as I said, they are not really strong. They can't hold too much weight on it, but for sarees, for dupatas or for blouses, I think this is really good buy. So this is my second top favorite. So the third one from my top 5 favorites is going to be this pillow cover. Very pretty pillow cover. Okay, so they have this little pom detailing the corners of the pillow, all 4, and also a hint of turquoise. I really love the color combination and also the fringes here and the pom-poms, of course. Most of you I think know that I like a pop of color in any outfit or anything. So in the same way I like pop of color in my decor too. So usually na bedroom anta ivory, white and very muted colors untayi. Only the decor pieces and plants kani flowers kani have a little color. Otherwise it's all muted whites and ivory. So ఇది నాకు చాలా beautiful గా అనిపించింది, and it's looking very pretty for my bed. ఈ డీటెయిలింగ్ అంతా కూడా నచ్చి I bought this one. So it's very comfortable too, and I really love the fabric. I think it's jute or something. Very pretty one. So that's it. So this is my third favorite. So the fourth favorite from my top 5 favorites is going to be this crop top. Very beautiful cotton and stretchy crop top, and very pretty color too. I want this crop top for few of my sarees. నేను బేసిక్గా క్రాప్ టాప్స్ ఎక్కువ సారీస్తో పేర్ చేసుకుంటుంటాను బికాస్ దే ఆర్ really comfortable, అండ్ నేను రెగ్యులర్ బేసిస్లో సారీస్ వేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాను కాబట్టి I look for comfort over look, and crop tops are really comfortable. చాలా కలర్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. Basically I think I bought yellow and this pink for my sarees. black, I think purple, red. There are so many colors. I don't exactly remember how many colors, but they have black for sure. Kakpote na దగ్గర black crop tops around 20-25 in different styles. So I don't think I need any more black crop tops. So I bought this one in yellow. So the full sleeves. I'm very big fan of full sleeves, and usually most of my blouses are full sleeves, and dresses or whatnot, everything will be mostly full sleeves. I really love and how they look on my body, so I usually have my clothes stitched in full sleeves. It is also so good. Kakapote, I think you have to go 2 sizes up or 1 size up. I'm not sure. Usually naadi medium lo untundi, but I have to go for L or XL. In this particular brand, I am going to link down the product anyway in the description box. You can check them out from my top 5 favorites. And this is, the material is also so good. I don't know the durability of it because I bought them recently, but I think I'll use it and let you know how this is going to. Final one from my top 5 favorites are going to be these earrings. Very pretty ones, right? నేను సిల్వర్ జ్యువెలరీకి చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యాను. అందులోనూ మిర్రర్ సిల్వర్ జ్యువెలరీ అంటే ఇంకా చాలా ఇష్టం. I haven't styled them and wore them out like ప్రాక్టికల్గా. కాకపోతే నేను డెలివర్ అయ్యి వచ్చినప్పుడు I just tried them. They're not really heavy, but I like the size of it. I mean, it's not too heavy, too huge, and it's not too small. I like wearing big earrings, and they have to be really light. So even I think are very useful. I think one of the videos when I'm going to style them too. So they're very pretty, right? I'm going to add the link of these earrings down in the description box below. Please go check them out. Actually anni products ki nenu links istanu anukondi. So that's about my 5th one. So hope you enjoy the video and also find it useful. If you do, you know the drill. Please subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon to never miss an update from me. And product links description box లో ఇస్తున్నాను కదా అని ఊరికనే షాపింగ్ చేయకండి. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయితేనే మీరు షాపింగ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో ఆల్సో బీ అ వెరీ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ షాపర్. ఓకే, so that's all guys. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. It means a lot. So stay home, stay safe, be positive. Bye. Beautiful, very cozy. If you're looking something for really cozy and happy, this is very soft and the fabric is so cuddly. I love my chunako.